Sa and Sod. Sa and Sod are two similar sounding Arabic alphabets. Do you want to learn the difference? Because you want to pronounce it correctly. Because without pronouncing correctly, you can't be pro. Because that makes the difference. What the difference make, how it is difference, I will teach you in this video. So do watch this video until the end. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started a series of learning similar sounding Arabic alphabets. So far we have done a series learning the Arabic alphabets, and so we are also learning how to write Arabic words. Do watch my that videos. You can find the links all in the description. But if you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can find the Arabic lessons in bite size so you can learn it easily. We have started learning the difference between the two similar sounds to the words so we can understand the phonics clearly. Sa is a soft letter, Sod is a heavy letter. Sa is without a whistle sound, Sod is with a whistle sound. How they are different? Let's move to the words. And we see also what is the difference in their meaning because of the mixing of the letters. Sa, Saum, Saum, Sawab, Hars, Sqil, Saub, Sod, Saum, Sawab, Hars, Saqil, Saub. This is the difference. Do practice after me if you want to be pro. Now move to the words by meaning. Saum is garlic. Saum and Saum is fasting. Saum, Saum, Sawab. While pronouncing Sa, to touch your upper two C's with the tip of tongue softly because it is one of the soft letter. Sawab, reward. Sawab is right. Sawab. Hars, to pluck. Hars and hers to comply with. Hers. You have the opportunity to write this word in your notes while doing one thing like understanding the meaning sounds of the similar Arabic alphabets. You can increase your vocabulary all along. Next word is sqeel. Sqeel is a heavy and saqil is polished. Saqil. 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 Saub is a kind of dress. Saub and saub is two words. So this is the difference because of mixing of the letters. You can feel the difference. But with pronouncing correct pronunciation, you can convey your sentence and your message clearly to the next person. Saum, Sawab, Hars, Saqil, Saub. Do practice after me, okay? Saum, Sawab, Hars, Saqil, Saub. You can find all this material in my website on a page. I will give the link in the description box. Do visit my site. You can find this over there. You can make your notes easily. And don't forget to subscribe my channels. Assalamu alaikum.